Hello children, I am Asavari teacher. Children, today we will learn lesson number 10. The name of the lesson is Correcting Mistakes. See children, if you have a recitation competition in class, you try to learn the poem you want to recite with the television on. Next day in school, you forget a few lines and lose. What will you do? Tell me children, what will you do? Are you going to put the blame on the poem, saying it was too difficult and start crying? Or are you going to learn from your mistake and decide to be careful next time? What will you do children? Yes, very good. We will learn from our mistake and decide to be careful next time. Children, today I am going to tell you one story. This story is about how Aman learned to correct his mistake instead of crying about it. Shall we start? Aman becomes hardworking. Aman was a lazy boy. He did not like to do his homework. Every time he gave some excuse to the teacher and she let him to do it in class. See children, here Aman is a boy like you all. But he did not like to do his homework. I know you all are doing your homework nicely and on every day. Am I right children? Are you going to do your homework on regular basis? Yes, very good. But Aman did not like to do his homework. Every time he gave some excuse to the teacher. तो प्रत्येक वेळी टीचरांना काही ना काहीतरी कारण सांगायचा की आज ह्यामुळे माझा होमवर्क झालेला नाही. And his teacher let him to do it in class. आणि त्याच्या ज्या टीचर होत्या त्या त्याला म्हणायच्या ओके मग आता शाळेत तरी कंप्लीट कर. One day what happened we will see. Okay. One day the teacher got angry with him. She said, Aman, when all the children in class can do their homework, why can't you? What is teacher says? की सगळे मुलं जर घरून होमवर्क करून आणतात, सगळ्यांचा होमवर्क कंप्लीट असतो, then why can't you? तू का नाही करून आणत? तुझा होमवर्क का नसतो कंप्लीट? Do this work from home tomorrow. I give you homework so that you can revise what is done in class and remember it. Why teacher is going to give you homework children? Yes, to revise what is done in class and remember it. जे काही टीचरांनी शाळेत शिकवलेलं असतं त्याची रिव्हिजन म्हणून टीचर होमवर्क देतात. His teacher says, I will not allow you to do your homework in class now. Aman was very upset. He said that the teacher was not fair. When Aman went home, his mother asked him, why are you so sad today? What happened? What did you do? Aman said, I didn't do anything. It's all the teacher's fault. Just because I did not do my homework, she scolded me in front of everyone. What Aman says to his mother? की माझी काही चूक नव्हती. मी फक्त होमवर्क केलं नाही म्हणून टीचर मला सगळ्यांसमोर रागावल्या. His mother made him sit in her lap and said, Aman, your teacher did not scold you without reason. You didn't do your homework. That was wrong. Correct the mistake you made instead of crying or blaming others. Do your work on time and no one will scold you. What his mother said की अमन, तुझ्या टीचर विदाउट रिझन रागावणार नाहीत, काहीतरी कारण असल्याशिवाय नाही रागावणार. तू होमवर्क करत नाहीस म्हणून त्या रागावल्या. तर इन्स्टेड ऑफ क्राईंग अँड ब्लेमिंग ऑन अदर्स, डू युअर वर्क ऑन टाइम. लोकांना दूषणं द्यायची, लोकांना नावं ठेवायची, त्याच्यापेक्षा आपण आपलं काम वेळेत पूर्ण करायचं, म्हणजे आपल्याला कोणीच रागवत नाही. अमन सेड, यू आर राईट मम्मी. इट वॉज रिअली माय फॉल्ट. नाउ आय विल ऑलवेज डू माय वर्क ऑन टाइम. थँक यू फॉर मेकिंग मी रिअलाइज माय मिस्टेक. व्हॉट अमन सेड, की तुझं बरोबर आहे मम्मा, माझीच चूक होती, आता मी माझं काम वेळेत पूर्ण करत जाईन. Saying this, he hugged his mother. From that day onwards, Aman became hardworking and did all his work on time. His teacher didn't scold him anymore. From that day, Aman became hardworking. तो खूप अभ्यास करायला लागला, हार्डवर्क करायला लागला आणि त्याचा सगळा होमवर्क तो कंप्लीट करायला लागला. मग त्याची टीचर त्याला रागावणार का आता? नाही. His teacher didn't scold him anymore. म्हणजे त्याच्या टीचर त्याला रागावतात का आता, किंवा रागावल्या का परत कधी? नाही. Then what is the moral of this story? What we learn from this story, Aman's story? That don't cry over your mistakes. Correct them. What we learn from this lesson? That don't cry over your mistakes. Instead of crying, correct those mistakes. Understood, children? Very good. Now we will solve this exercise. See children, what is there in this exercise? Write T for true and F for false statement. What is the first statement? Aman was always a hard working boy. Is this correct statement, children? Is this true or false? Yes, try to recall the lesson. जे लेसन मध्ये टीचरांनी शिकवले ते रिकॉल करा, म्हणजे ते आठवा की अमन हार्ड वर्किंग बॉय होता का आधी. येस, व्हेरी गुड. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. द टीचर वॉज नॉट फेअर टू हिम. इज इट करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट? येस, दिस वॉज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. टीचर असं कुणाबद्दल टीचर नॉट फेअर असं नसतात, सगळ्यांसाठी टीचर सारख्याच असतात. पण जर एखाद्या मुलाने अभ्यास नाही केला तर टीचर त्याला डेफिनेटली रागवतात. व्हेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. नाउ थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज, मदर टोल्ड अमन टू करेक्ट द मिस्टेक ही मेड. इज दिस ट्रू स्टेटमेंट? येस, his mother told him to correct the mistake he made. Very good children, this is true. Then write down T. Aman realized his mistake. Is this correct statement, children? Yes, very good. He realized his mistake. जेव्हा त्याच्या आईने त्याला समजावून सांगितलं तेव्हा त्याला त्याची चूक कळाली की नाही. Then the fifth statement is, Aman became hardworking. Yes, this one is also true statement. Very good children. The teacher continued to scold Aman. Is this correct statement, children? नाही. जेव्हा तो हार्डवर्किंग झाला, हार्डवर्किंग बॉय झाला, तो सगळा होमवर्क कंप्लीट करायला लागला, तेव्हा तरी सुद्धा त्याला टीचर रागवत होत्या का? नाही. दिस इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. देन राईट डाऊन F. Yes, very good children. We will wait here for few seconds and we will continue. Yes, very good children. Write down T in front of true statement and write down F in front of false statement. It's rhyme time, children. We will sing the ant song. Why do people cry and make a scene? When we little ants never ever scream, we don't complain and waste our time. We are too busy to hear even the clock's chime. If something goes wrong, we don't just cry. To correct the mistake is what we try. Make right what's wrong with the words, not tears, and live happily without any fears. Which lesson we learn from this ant song? Don't cry over your mistakes. Instead of crying, correct them. Understood, children? Very good. Now we will solve this exercise. We just need to put a tick mark in front of correct option. First question is, how do people make a scene? Yes, put a tick mark in front of by crying and screaming. Second statement is, why don't the ants hear the clock's chime? Put a tick mark in front of they are too busy. Then the third statement is, what do ants try to do if something goes wrong? Put a tick mark in front of try to correct it. And the fourth one is, how do they try to make right what's gone wrong? Yes, put a tick mark in front of by speaking. Yes, it's diary time. See, fill in your diary using the given words. See, these words are given here: solve, crying, mistakes and correcting. Write down date in front of date slot. Now we will read this diary slot. Okay. Today I learned about how, there is a fill in the blank. You need to fill that blank. Which word is going to fit here? Yes, crying. Today I learned about how crying does not, which word is going to fit over there? There is also fill in the blank. Solve problems, but again fill in the blank is there. Yes, very good, children. Correcting them does. I will learn to correct my, which word is going to fit here? Mistakes, rather than cry about them. Can I read one more time? Yes. Write down today's date here in front of date slot. Now listen me. Today I learned about how crying does not solve problems, but correcting them does. I will learn to correct my mistakes rather than cry about them. Understood, children? Very good. Now, after this, there is last slot of this chapter or of this lesson. See here, There are two mistakes in the picture. This is the picture of the bird. There are two mistakes in this picture. Circle them and draw the correct picture in the empty box. See, one empty box is given to you all in your textbook. Identify the mistakes, circle them and draw the correct picture in the given empty box. Understood, children? I hope you enjoyed this session, children. Bye. Have a nice day.